Hey everyone, this is Landon from DataWing here with the Drone Biz tip. One of the things I would like to talk with everybody about is KPIs, or key performance indicators. This is how we measure the success or not success of our business in a variety of different ways. Not having KPIs in your business is kind of like flying an airplane without any instruments. You have no idea what's really happening. So we focus on three main areas: safety, quality, and productivity, in that order. So when we start to look at safety, how do we measure safety? We look at the number of man hours that we've operated without an incident. We want that to be as low as possible. We want to look at our flight hours. We want to look at how much flight time we're putting onto our aircraft. It's important that we keep track of all that information and that we assess when we have failures, if we have mechanical failures, so we can start to anticipate that in the future, gather some good data that we can analyze later on. And then equipment cycles. Want to know just how many times has it flown, not just flight time, but number of cycles on our specific equipment, whether that be aircraft, whether it be vehicles, it could be just about anything. So we always want to measure that kind of safety aspect and understand what that looks like for our business. Secondarily, we want to focus on quality. So we want to make sure that we give a good product to our clients every single day. We want to look at defect rates. So the way that we do that is we assign the number of errors per job flown to a particular pilot or an individual. We look at that over time, and if we have a lot of defects showing up, we will try to take a look at it, analyze it. We'll use a Pareto principle, which is simply stating that 80% of your problem comes from 20% of your people. Understand what those challenges are, and then we're going to attack the process and not the people. We want to make sure that we understand exactly what is happening. Is there something that we can do to improve the training aspects of our business to make them more efficient and have better quality as we move forward? Speaking of efficiency, I want to talk to productivity. So this is understanding what is our production rate, what is the tack time that it takes for us to do our jobs if you're in the Six Sigma thing, what is our time on site, what is our time between site, and we can analyze that data and understand what our true cost of business is. Then we need to figure out what is normal for our operation. You can use a control chart. That's what I have up here as an example. If you Google control chart, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's a great way to take some data that you've collected, about 20 to 30 data points at a minimum, and understand what does normal look like for your business, and then find those outliers, find those extreme cases that you can apply some correction to. So that's it, real quick on key performance indicators, and that's been your Drone Biz tip brought to you by DataWing. Thanks.